Hello, my name is Melissa Ambers with Strategic Blueprint Consulting. Project management is the core of any organization today. It does not matter how large or small you always need to have project management systems and or a project management team. It's really beneficial if you will have both because in the project management system, you can add all tasks, all documents, assign tasks, know what's happening, notes. Everything can happen in one system where everyone have access to it. Building these teams is a vital way for all team members in various departments to communicate with each other. It's not always about face-to-face meetings when we have time. Can we, when can we go to this office, or whatever the situation may be. The world of technology now, it's very important that you embrace what we have today. It's not going anywhere. Having open communication is the easy way, the most simplest way to work with teams, to recognize the cost, manage your time, know who's on the team, work with those team members, collaboration, the planning. Everything that's involved is very important. Having these meetings, whether you're in person or virtual, you can go through various tasks, the risks, all the things that we must look at, why we should look at them, and how did this problem start. We have to look at those solutions. And once we can meet together and understand what we have, that's a cause for a celebration. Let's celebrate the accomplishments. Let's celebrate that we were able to bring together all team members to work together to make this thing happen. It's good that we can celebrate and rejoice that now we can work more efficiently and effectively and be able to sustain our business. Happy International Project Management Day.